How to fix unable to load videos on iPhone. Let's get started. Ensure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network. For that, launch your settings. Navigate to the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network. Give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Likewise, switch between networks, Wi-Fi and cellular data. And last up, what you can do is enable for the option of airplane mode. Wait for a few minutes and then disable it. Restart your iPhone. A simple restart can resolve minor software glitches. Press and hold the side and volume buttons until the slider appears. Slide to power off, wait a few seconds and turn it back on. Update your iPhone and apps. To update iOS, go to Settings, General, Software Update. If any updates are available, just update your phone software to its latest version. To update apps, launch your App Store. Click on the profile icon given at the top right. Now scrolling down, here you're gonna find all the apps. Click on Update for app in which the video is not loading. Free up storage space. Low storage can prevent videos from loading or playing. For that, head back, go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, delete unused apps, photos or videos to free up space. Clear temporary files by offloading apps or use third-party cleaning tools. Lastly, force restart your device. For that, quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. By applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this way you can easily fix videos not loading on iPhone. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.